Hi there, Sandra. It's Marcy here recording your video for you. I am going to keep this short. What I'll do is I'm just going to point out 3 things that you guys could do today to start bringing in more traffic just with your website. Beat out your competitors on all bases to get before more eyes of your potential searchers. So the 3 things I'm going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. So by content, what I'm referring to is the information that you guys provide on your homepage here. When somebody puts something in the search browser, and the term that I used for this example was roof companies, Victoria. So you do have the benefit, which is awesome. You were wise when you picked up this domain to have Victoria Roofing, because they like to match up exactly what it is that people are searching. So that was definitely a benefit for you guys. But as far as your content, it's one of the most widely neglected things in ranking that when people are building websites, they don't take into consideration. A lot of website builders, they don't understand search engine optimization. So I would imagine that is why. But Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on their homepage. And you can see here, I guess if we put that in a word counter, we'd probably come up with about 40. So, when they go out and crawl the web, when somebody puts in roof companies in Victoria, they're going to go out and crawl the internet. They want to keep searchers on their search engine. That's how they make money. So if they come across a site that's got 50 words and the one next to it's got 1,500, they're going to see the one with the 1,500 as being the expert in the market, and that's going to contribute to them showing up higher in the search engine. All the things that I'm going to share with you today, you can just go ahead and beat your competitors, and in time you're going to be ranking above them in all these scenarios. Now, you guys are doing great on the maps. These first ones that I'm going over are helping to let you know what contributes to showing up here. So I took the #1 ranking organically. We call this section organic. The top is the paid ads, the middle is the Google My Business, and down here is the organic section. So backlinks, a strong backlink profile really contributes to being higher up on the first page of the search for the organics. So I took your site, I put it into this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows us what's going on behind the scenes. What it shows me is that you have 24 referring domains that are linking to you. So 24 websites on the internet are linking back to yours, giving you 81 backlinks, that you're being found for about 8 words. So this is where the content could help improve on that. Organically, people aren't really finding you, but I think it's you guys are doing so great on the maps. That's where they are finding you at this point. So that's your backlinks. But to show you what that next back to here, what the top one has, they've got 70 referring domains. They're being found for just over 200 words, and they got about 100 visitors organically, right? So this isn't paid ads. This is just from being in that #1 position, really. And then for the third thing that I'll touch on is citations. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you're going to find your business name, address, phone number listed. So, you're beating out your competitors in that regard, but always keep collecting them. I mean, it's happening all the time. People will realize these things and then start putting in the work, and just because you just never want to get comfortable with it. You want to keep working at it so you can maintain that, because you see how it pays, right? It pays big time to be in that #1 spot. So citations, by that, directories continue to get you anytime that you come across a site that says list your business, free listings, this kind of stuff. Definitely, just the more places you have your exact business name, address, and phone number showing up out on the web there, the better it is for you. So awesome. Yeah, I actually put you guys in a tool, and this was showing like you've got this #1 spot cased. I think it has a lot to do too with you're sitting in an awesome, like, where you created this listing from is just like right in the middle of everything. So yeah, you guys are doing great as far as the maps go. But if you just to give you pointers, tips, go ahead and add some more content. It's only going to help you guys out in your rankings as showing up. Get in that #1 organic spot too, and you could strengthen up your backlink profile some. So feel free to go ahead and use these tips, and if you have any questions, happy to help you out and answer them. I will follow up, Sandra, just to make sure this didn't land in a spam box folder somewhere and nobody saw it. So we'll talk to you soon.